Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have admin access and closing apps that might interrupt. Open the Control Panel or Settings app now. On Windows, press Win+S and type Control Panel. Once done, navigate to Keyboard, Shortcuts, or Accessibility so you can see existing mappings. Make sure to note any current shortcuts you might overwrite. You will act quickly to avoid conflicts, so keep the window visible and prepare to add or edit a shortcut entry in the next step. You now pick the specific Control Panel item or app window you want to open with a shortcut. Click Add or Edit, then press the key combination you want. Choose something uncommon to avoid collisions. Once set, decide whether the shortcut is global or app-specific. Global makes it available system-wide, while app-specific limits scope. Explain why. Global convenience versus risk of interference. Save the mapping and test it immediately. If it fails, undo and try a different key combo. You finish by testing the new shortcut in several contexts: desktop, inside apps, and after a quick lock-unlock. If it works, create a short backup or note of the mapping so you can restore it later. If it fails, check for conflicts with system or app shortcuts, confirm you have permission to create global hotkeys, and look for utilities that block keys. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the input service or utility and reassign a different key combination if collisions persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.